Alright, today we're going to be removing the wiper blades on a 2014 Honda Civic Hybrid. Each wiper blade is going to be a little bit different on how you remove it. Most of the time you'll just want to lift it up, and you'll see if you move the blade around a little bit, you'll be able to notice what kind of locking mechanism it has. As you can tell, ours right here on the top has just sort of like a lip that you'll want to grab a screwdriver, and then you'll just want to pop that open. And then once that's been unlocked, you just want to go ahead and slide the blade down and off. As you can tell, our arm is a hook style. It's fairly common, as we have a Toyota as well, and they use the same sort of mechanism. Once you have the blade off, you'll want to get the proper size. We're using Michelin. You want to check in your owner's manual to see what size you want. Ours calls for a 26 and a 22 inch. These ones are relatively easy to put on. There's no locking mechanism or anything you need to put on top. All you need to do is find the opening right here, which you can find the instructions in the box. You'll slide that up on top of the hook. Wait till you hear a click, and you know that the blade's in place. The last thing you need to do is just remove these white pieces on the end, and then you're all set.